YouTube. Let's fix that. Firstly, let's go to the YouTube and select any of the video. Let's say I'm tapping on here
I'm from
and just tap on that. And from here, you need to tap on this website here and you need to tap on right click here and make sure you have not muted that tab. Let's say if that is muted, you need to unmute that by tapping on right click here and by tapping on unmute tab like this. So, and after that, you need to make sure that the video volume is not muted or otherwise the volume is not low. For that, you need to tap on this volume icon. So now let's say if that is muted, it will be appeared with this symbol like this. If it is in the low, you can adjust the volume like this with more. The second thing is that you can tap on the volume icon, which is here on your system. So tap on that here and you can adjust the volume like this on the computer as well. After that, if this doesn't fixes your problem, you need to make sure that you have connected your Bluetooth or speakers correctly to the system by going to that settings here by tapping on it again. Now let's say if all these are correct, you need to search for volume mixer. So tap on that and it will take you to the settings. There you can scroll down to find that specific app of you and you can make sure that website or app is not muted here. This is how you fix no sound on YouTube. Thank you.